Hello humans and welcome to my very first video. Today we want to take a look at ChatGPT's potential risks and how to use it safely. So let's dive right in. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that generates human-like text and is used for answering questions, translating languages, composing music, writing stories, creating code and much more. According to reports, ChatGPT gained 1 million users within a week of its launch and broke the record for the fastest-growing consumer app ever. Currently it's free and very simple to use. You can find a link in the description. ChatGPT definitely has the potential to completely change the way we communicate with chatbots and how we further automate tasks and problems. But we also have to take a look on potential risks and moral questions. Due to ChatGPT's current state of training and development, OpenAI has advised verifying all the content it produces. Now let's talk about ChatGPT's potential risks and how to use it responsibly. Unreliable information. Since ChatGPT was trained using a vast amount of data, its responses will reflect any issues with incomplete or inaccurate data, which might lead to false information. ChatGPT is not capable of verifying the accuracy of the information and training data and can generate false or misleading responses. Sometimes it can solve a challenging algorithmic problem, but then it produces a wrong answer to an easy mathematical question. Issues with privacy. The use of AI language models raises questions about how the data is stored and processed. All conversations with ChatGPT can be stored and reviewed by humans to examine and improve the model. If you already have given ChatGPT your personal information, you can email OpenAI and request them to delete it. Creation of phishing mails and malware. One of the more significant dangers of ChatGPT is that it can produce phishing mails in multiple languages and that very well spoken and accessible to anyone. ChatGPT has the capability to generate code in languages like Python, JavaScript and C, enabling it to create malware for detecting sensitive user data. It can also help to hack computer systems or email accounts to extract crucial information. Biased content. ChatGPT has frequently responded in a sexist and racist manner. This could present a societal risk because ChatGPT's biased data may have an impact on young people or those who take its responses at face value. When training a model like ChatGPT, it is essential to carefully take into account the quality and diversity of the data, including elements like demographic representation, gender balance and cultural diversity. By doing so, the likelihood of bias output will be reduced. The data should also be pre-processed to eliminate sources of prejudice and stereotypical content. Job displacement. By automating routine tasks like data entry, customer service and other daily activities, ChatGPT and other AI models have the potential to replace jobs, but rather than completely replacing human labor, AI is more likely to improve already existing jobs. That being said, the displacement of jobs due to AI automation is a complicated issue that can cause economic disruption and will impact several industries. For those who experience job loss due to automation, organizations should offer support and retraining opportunities. But upcoming AI will also generate new jobs in related industries. Plagiarism. ChatGPT can generate text similar to existing content, which could result in plagiarism. Additionally, because ChatGPT is based on training data patterns, it is not able to think independently or come up with its own creative solutions. Overdependence. Dependence on AI language models may lead to a decline in critical thinking and problem-solving skills among individuals and society as a whole. For students in particular, it may shorten personal development and decision-making abilities. Many schools and universities have already raised concerns about students using ChatGPT for writing essays or code and have banned using ChatGPT for school work. Limited context. ChatGPT can only respond based on the data it was trained on and cannot access real-time facts, nor comprehend a context the same way a human would. The responses also feel too formal and generated. Furthermore, according to OpenAI, ChatGPT's knowledge is limited to things that happened before 2021, so it can't respond to questions about later events. Here's how you can protect yourself against these risks. Do not provide ChatGPT with any sensitive or personal information. Never click on a link in a suspicious email. Instead, carefully examine and confirm the content. Make your password difficult to guess. ChatGPT is quite good at guessing passwords. Establish a two-factor authentication process and always keep your software up to date with the most recent security updates to protect your system from cyberattacks. Outdated software can put you and your business at risk. Don't take any legal, medical, or financial advice from ChatGPT. Conclusion. The nature of AI and machine learning is such that they are as good as the data they are trained on, and if the data is biased or inaccurate, your results will reflect that. It is important to use ChatGPT and other AI language models responsibly, and that strong data protection and privacy policies are in place to avoid the biggest potential risks associated with ChatGPT. I hope I was able to spread some awareness about the potential risks when using ChatGPT, and that you haven't lost interest in trying ChatGPT out. It can be extremely helpful. In the upcoming weeks we will take a further look on how to effectively use it, so consider subscribing to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and until next time.